It may seem like no one is cheering Cardano ADA on in this crypto race, but if you look behind the curtains, you will find them. These are people who are not disturbed by the swarm of negative predictions. Everything about Cardano is dependent on how far you can see. It's not going to be overnight, but rather long-term. An attorney representing XRP holders, John E. Deaton, once posed a question on his Twitter page concerning the immense potential of Bitcoin. He suggested the possibility of the flagship cryptocurrency rallying to a whopping $300,000. This would represent an incredible tenfold increase from its present price. In a June 25th tweet, John Deaton asked his followers whether they think that the market cap of Bitcoin could one day reach half of gold's. And if this happens, according to him, the price of the dominant cryptocurrency may surge to 10 times higher than its current valuation. Predicting that Bitcoin might attain half of the precious metals market cap, he highlighted his conviction that the market price is an attractive entry point for long-term investors. Deaton also drew attention to exciting development, as the CEO of the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, changed his perceptions about Bitcoin. This change of mind spurred an important statistic that bolstered his belief in Bitcoin. Then, Bitcoin achieved a year-to-date high as investors' excitement over BlackRock's application for a spot Bitcoin ETF fueled expectations of a new bull market. The crypto market has been experiencing a crisis of confidence following the implosion of the FTX crypto exchange, but the filings for spot Bitcoin ETFs had helped reinforce cryptocurrencies. The road towards a spot Bitcoin ETF in the US has been long, and there could be a seminal movement in the history of the crypto market if the SEC finally approves it. As Bitcoin is reaching its mark, Cardano is also gearing up. Notably last year, the founder of crypto capital venture, Dan Garmendello, tweeted to opine to his followers that Cardano will continue to thrive as soon as the next bull cycle begins. And at the same time, a similar opinion was shared by an anonymous Twitter user who stated that ADA's fundamentals were very strong. Garmendello has been a huge fan for a long time, and his tweet reflected the fact that the toughest part for ADA was taking place as a result of the bear market that started in 2021. He predicted that the last leg of the bear market was starting, and it will be volatile and crazy. And recently, Garmendello shared his insights on Cardano ADA in a video exploring Cardano's market position and technological upgrades. He drew several comparisons with Ethereum, pointing out the reasons why he believes that Cardano is a strong contender in the crypto industry. From his perspective, Cardano is ready to go for the next bull cycle, maintaining its market position despite bearish sentiment. He noted that Cardano and Ethereum had similar first bull markets, with Ethereum reaching $125 billion market cap and Cardano close behind at $93 billion. Both have also experienced major drops in their market as well, with Ethereum falling around 94% and Cardano around 91%. In contrast with critic claims, Garmendello argued that Cardano is not late to the party in terms of technological feats. He used the launch of the Alonzo hard fork and the emergence of DeFi platforms like SundaeSwap as evidence that Cardano is on a similar but potentially more advanced technological trajectory compared to Ethereum. Moving on to the concept of total value locked, the crypto expert suggested that if staked ADA were considered in Cardano's TVL, it would rank much higher. He further noted that Cardano's innovative staking mechanism, which allows ADA to remain in the user's wallet, should be seen as an asset and included in TVL calculations. Then he speculated that even if Cardano does not reach Ethereum's $546 billion market capitalization, it will reach a conservative estimate of $350 billion, resulting in a $10 ADA. Back in November of 2018, Garmendello pointed out that Ethereum had almost no total value locked, just after its bull market. Therefore, this supports his argument that Cardano could catch up with or even dethrone Ethereum in the future. Plus, he shared a tweet that if staked ADA was considered, Cardano would be second in terms of TVL with $5.5 billion. Now, yes, Cardano has its flaws, but it is doing a great job, and tiny drops can make an ocean, remember? In early 2023, Cardano ADA demonstrated significant growth. The Ethereum killer is garnering increased attention from investors due to its potential, utility, and advantages. Compared to Ethereum, which currently experiences slow transaction speeds and higher transfer fees, these alternative blockchain solutions offer efficient low-cost propositions. Cardano has achieved scalability through the implementation of the Ouroboros consensus engine, a proof-of-stake cross-chain algorithm. As the network increases in size, there will be an overall increase in scalability. Since the beginning of the year, ADA has seen a 41% increase in value. This robust performance can be attributed to a mix of factors, including the introduction of new features, high development activity, and substantial investment from major investors. In addition, the creation of stablecoins and dApps optimized for EUTXO are contributing to the upward move of the cryptocurrency. Cardano has consistently shown its potential to not only surpass Ethereum, but to also provide cost-effective and high-quality decentralized solutions and capabilities for developers, hence the increasing level of attention and interest in the crypto market. Also, Cardano has been a subject of discussion as it showed fundamental changes in the market recently. The ADA token reflected signs of a possible trend reversal, which caught investors' attention. One of the most notable technical indicators pointing towards this transformation is the breakthrough of a descending triangle in the upward direction. This pattern is generally considered a bullish sign, suggesting that the asset could be ushered into a new phase of solid momentum. Since this breakthrough, Cardano has been accelerating, spurring thoughts of a looming bullish trend. However, it's important to note that while technical indicators are promising, they are not foolproof. And there are other market factors that could influence Cardano's momentum. Now, Bitcoin is making rounds in the crypto community after its most recent price performance, which held the market spellbound. Bitcoin crosses $28,000 at a crucial period in the market after ruining bullish expectations for the first half of 2023. As a result, the hype for Bitcoin across the crypto market has surged, according to the crypto market intelligence platform Santiment. Taking to Twitter, Santiment shared that Bitcoin is trending as the fourth most talked about asset in the crypto market. Ever since Bitcoin broke the $25,000 price level, the leading asset has seen an impressive upsurge in the number of mentions within the crypto market. Back in March, things were not looking pretty, so the hype for Bitcoin was very low after it toppled $25,000. But now with Bitcoin adding $5,000 to its value, there has been an 82% increase in Bitcoin's social media's mentions. The price upswing could be attributed to investors anticipating an incoming change in the US Federal Reserve's monetary policies. Tim Frost, the CEO of crypto yield platform Yield App, supported this opinion, noting the importance of Bitcoin's latest price pump. He said, "The recent surge in Bitcoin's price is like a breath of fresh air after a long crypto winter. This renewed optimism could be attributed to an expected shift in the US Federal Reserve's monetary policy, which is expected to create a more stable and hopefully predictable environment. With these developments, things are set to go well for Cardano." Perhaps the Cardano founder, Charles Hoskinson, has seen ahead of the cryptocurrency given his remarks at the Rare Evo conference. Everything he said was unusual, but bit by bit, they are coming to fruition. So that is our challenge, and this is why I think that Cardano is probably going to become the biggest cryptocurrency in the world. I think that is going to become more than just a cryptocurrency. I think it's going to become the backbone of a new digital nation, a new society, a place where we can finally begin to trust each other again, where we move from don't be evil to can't be evil, Hoskinson said. He targeted his criticisms at governance models of market leaders, Bitcoin and Ethereum, pointing out that Bitcoin's static design could be its Achilles heel in the long term. Ethereum's leadership dismissed on-chain governance as unachievable, but Hoskinson argued that as crypto platforms mature and accumulate users in the hundreds of millions, not employing some form of on-chain governance could end up becoming a liability. The Cardano founder also combated apprehensions revolving around decentralized governments, which some perceive as disruptive to established systems. For Hoskinson, this form of governance could be an instrument for renewed community engagement and trust, expressing his faith in human potential. He explained that he had always believed in the best in people and sees decentralized governance as a way to restore trust. Simply put, just don't miss out on Cardano. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on the subscribe notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.